make you mine tonight. Pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are getting it all done. We are cooking, homeschooling, and cleaning. So if y'all are ready, let's get started. So the first thing I do is head into the kitchen where the kids are, and by this time it's 8 in the morning and they have already been online for about 30 to 45 minutes. I say good morning to them and then I head over to make me a cup of coffee, and while I'm doing that, I'm asking them about their assignments for the day, and they also tell me what they want for breakfast.
It makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that,
if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover, just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? When you leave me like that, your favorite lover, do me like that. Ooh, just hit me when I think about that. I'm coming, I'll be coming right back on. You know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover, do me like that. No, just hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over.
Okay, so once I'm done making my coffee, I get started on breakfast, and this morning they wanted sausage, eggs, and toast.
Just like you like me till autumn rain, and I know that baby I want. Moving down a lonely road, carrying a heavy load, looking for that someone to hold. You came in, you shook my peace, you tore down my walls with ease, you turned dust into gold, you make it real, you're the one I want, and to me you're just like art. You're like late autumn rain, and I know that baby I want. Yeah. Funny how
So while I'm waiting for the sausage to get done, I check in on the kids because they were both needing my help.
got no control. But baby, when I saw that smile, knew that I'd be just fine. You turned us into gold. You make it real, you're the one I want. And to me, you're just like art. You're like late autumn rain, and I
So I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one, but I spend so much time in my kitchen. I was telling my mom that when this is over, I'm either going to be an even better cook than I already am, or I'm going to hate cooking. So, yeah, I think I'm going to hate cooking for 1,000, because for real, y'all, your girl don't like to cook, but I do it because it's necessary. But I'm seriously thinking about putting a padlock on my kitchen when this is over. Is there anybody else out there like me that doesn't like to cook? I mean, y'all, I'll clean all day long, but y'all can miss me with the cooking. Anybody else out there don't like to cook? Y'all leave me a comment down below.
Memory on a screen. I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back to me. Why we mystery? I don't wanna be just a memory on a screen, yeah. I don't need to be here, and I don't want to move on, you know. It just wanna do it without you here. So now I'm saving a seat for you. I see our future in our mind. Oh baby, I know you would be surprised. Memory on the screen. I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back to me. Why we still a mystery? Begging you, begging me. I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back to me. Why we still a mystery? Begging you, begging me. I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. I don't wanna be just a memory. 'Cause I don't wanna be.
Okay, breakfast is over and school is done, which they finished about 11:30 or 11:45 that day, and now I'm just going to get the kitchen clean.
Oh, I am waking up from a dream, yeah, yeah. Baby, come back to me. Baby, come back to me. I said, why? I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. Yeah, waking up from a dream, yeah. Oh, baby, come back to me. Baby, come back to me. I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, oh. I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with a break. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, if it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, can save us, can save us. Oh, nothing you do, oh, nothing you do can save us, can save us. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why.
So y'all know that I like to take my rugs up and shake them out before I start cleaning the kitchen and get them in the wash so they can be doing their thing while I'm cleaning. But I don't know where my mom was that day because I forgot to take them up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I was probably thinking about the fact that I was going to be back in the kitchen in a couple of hours cooking something. The struggle is real, y'all. The struggle is real.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll Don't you like dancing? Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? The open kind of new way. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday.
Okay, y'all, we've come to the end of this video. But first, I want to thank you all so much for your support. I hit my 500 subscriber goal, and I just can't even believe it. And I just thank God for each and every one of you. I hope you all enjoyed hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell if you haven't already. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.